This video training is for the fuel logs in the Vessel Service Solutions application. It should be noted that management has full access to fuel logs and can control what the deckhands and captains are allowed to view, edit, or delete. The first thing you should know about the fuel logs is that you want to have your maintenance schedule set up prior to entering any fuel logs, so see that training section for more details. The Fuel Log tab is for adding new fuel logs and getting quick summary information about your fuel data. To get more specific information, you can look at the reports section and the fuel usages for boats. At the top of this section are filters you can use to see information very quickly at a glance. You can choose the date range, and the information adjusts very quickly. The start and end dates also change when you choose the date range. You can also change the date range manually, and all of these filters work together. If you choose a captain, it is also based on this same date range as well as a boat. If you change one, then it will change the view. You can clear a captain by clicking all. You can filter by boat, or clear the filter by clicking all, or you can filter by captain and by boat. The Show All Logs button will clear the captain and the boat filters, but will not change the date range. To add a new fuel log, click the New Fuel Log button, and notice right away there are some fields that are required for each new fuel log. You can change the date here. You can also edit the location, and it will show up in future lists. You can choose the boat and the fueling captain. You also have fields for battery level and notes, but those are not required. You can enter two of these three fuel cost fields, and it will automatically calculate the third. Click in the blank space to commit the change. And click Save when you are finished, and if you have not finished all the required fields, it will give you a notification. When you click Save, you can see the new fuel log has been added to the view. This view is for view only. If you want to change information, click the pencil next to the fuel log and make the necessary change. Click in the white space and click Save. If you want to delete a fuel log, click the red X and choose yes or no for this entry. That's all that's needed for the simple fuel log portion. Check out our other training videos for the other sections of the Vessel Service Solutions application.